What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with another video. In this video, we'll be going over choppy markets. Alright, if you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright, so look, this was today, guys. Alright, this is NAS 100 choppy markets today. A lot of wicks. If you got in the right way, alright, I made money off the buy. Alright, made money off the buy this morning. Did not catch the sale, was not looking for sales. Alright, and as you can see, she's going up towards my TP. Alright, but she's also wicking down, selling back down, buying back up. Like it's been a crazy day. I took profit, re-entered, took profit. Like I've been making money off this trade all day, but I'm most definitely looking for the buys, a long-term buy that I can just hold. It may give it to us tomorrow, later on tonight, London session sometime, but today we didn't get really no movement, guys. No movement, and you don't want to really trade this type of deal. Alright, you really don't, because you mess around and blow your account. Alright, because a lot of this is just the banks manipulating, can't make a decision on which way they want the market to go. Alright, but once you have everything marked up, you can see where it's not breaking and where it's going. Alright, and it just kept testing this area. Alright, bounced off, bought. I caught it right here. Alright, I caught it down there and I took profit, and I just re-entered again when it came back down, and my stop loss is down here. I'm getting ready to take profit now because it's wicking out, and I don't like how it be wicking out. So let's see. Yeah, let's take profit. Even though I feel like it's gonna go there, it's just been a long day. Alright, trade NAS 100. Let me zoom out really quick. I'll show you guys the effect. Let me delete this out the trade. So look, guys, really look at this. This was so dangerous today. Like, it was times like this most definitely looked it like the buy, and it wicked right back down, sold down. Here, we thought this was the buy. You feel me? We got in here, made money. We knew we had to get out. Wick down again, like you got a triple bottom down here. Alright, triple bottom. Alright, of wicks. Really reverse head and shoulders if you look at it. But the way it moved, it was not normal today. Usually we would have caught this and we would have let it ran all day. You feel me? Until the trend was over with. But as you can see, let's zoom in here so you can see how it did. Alright, look at this. Wicked up, came down, wicked down. You know, look at, like, it was just doing like so much weird activity today. And it's like, that's not what we used to. You know what I'm saying? Like, we was on the Zoom call today, the team, you know, when we trade, are used to stuff like this, catching just one movement, and then start doing this, dropped again, dropped down some more, and now it's coming back up. But when we trade, we look for the clean movement. All right. When we buy, we look for the clean movement, not the consolidate like this. This is not. This is cooking up. All right. It's cooking up for the drop. But this, no, cannot trade this. Your account will be blown if you don't know what you're doing. Alright, we had this marked up. Me and Jones had this marked up. We were just looking at it all day. Like, even when we hopped on the Zoom call, the first thing I said was, I don't like how this look. I probably don't even want to trade today. So what I did, as you see, we got this marked up. Came all the way down, tested this pivot. Boom, caught the buy. Came all the way up right here. It wasn't breaking. It wasn't breaking. So I got out right here, but it ended up coming all the way back down right here. And all the way up, I did not catch. I caught yeah, I didn't catch this buy. I didn't catch this candle at all because I didn't like the setup. Came to this pivot all the way back down. So yeah, I wasn't catching nothing but the buys. I caught it when it came right here and got out, and I caught it again, and now I'm out. I'm not gonna touch it again, even though now it actually broke out of this. But look at this, it still has not broke this pivot. Like, it went past, came back down, and it's like it's hesitant right here, so it can potentially come all the way back down like it's been doing all day. So you just gotta be patient, gotta let this trade develop. You know what I'm saying? Made some good profit today, chilling. Really want to be done for the week. I told Jones, I say, man, I really want to be done for the week. I done made some really good profit this week. I feel like I can't get comfortable. All right, I gotta stay in my element, man. He helped me with that. You feel me? We really tag teaming and going crazy, y'all. So if you want to join like our signal group, information will be in the description down below. Make sure you go get that. How to join, and other services as well is inside of that link if you want to check it out. But yeah, man, you gotta notice the choppiness in the markets. You gotta notice when not to trade. It's okay to take a day off of trading. I know it's addicting. I know it is. Like, it was hard today because I wanted to catch some pips, but it was like the market gave it to you in a way today that you had to get it. You had to take what it gave you, and you had to get out the market. It wasn't just a regular holding unless you caught it down here. But every time it came at down, I know you probably, you know, got out or wanted to get out. So it just wasn't a clean trade today. All right, that's just what it was. And we're not the banks. We don't make price move. You get what I'm saying? So we just got to go with what they give us. And today wasn't, you know, what I expected. But it's all good. Like I said, we still got paid. But it's just, you got to identify consolidation. This really was nothing but consolidation today. So this is a breakout. You know what I'm saying? This is a trend. We look for stuff like this to hold. We look for stuff like this to hold. You know what I'm saying? On 10K days, 20K days, 30K days is when they give us that trend. And of course, the moving average that we got lets us know when to get in and get out and when to hold. And today it was all over the place. So I knew for a fact it wasn't no trend forming or nothing going on. But in order to get the moving average that we use, you got to be a part of the group. They have them. A couple people in the group, they use them. They like them. And, you know, I like them too. They profitable. So a couple indicators that's good for trends is like the buy and sell signal 2.0 indicator. Of course, moving averages, you can use your own custom, find out your own sauce like I did with mine. You can get things like TrendBot or an algorithm, like an algorithm to tell you when to buy and sell. It's a lot of things that people use, you know what I'm saying, that can help them identify, you know, a trend. It's a lot of stuff, all right? And the easier it is to make money, it's a lot of, use those tools, you know what I'm saying? Use them. Don't let people talk you out of using indicators because, oh, it don't seem, you know, like authentic. It's most definitely authentic. It's nothing but another confirmation, all right? Once you have your own eyes naked, like once you have your own eyes as a confirmation, all right, and other indicators are agreeing with what you're saying, then you're more confident in your trade, all right? That's how you become better. I feel like using putting more things inside of your strategy will make you more, you know, profitable and more like noticeable of what's going on. All right, you can also look for market patterns. This just looked like a reverse head and shoulders, so I know it's gonna buy. but I just don't, know when it's gonna break out of this structure. This is just another zone that it was in. Looks like it want to break it, but just gotta be patient. So, man, be careful in the markets. You don't want to be careful in the market. You don't want to trade you don't have to trade every day. All right, if there's no setup, it's just no setup. All right, and, just be thankful that you got 2 more days to trade for the week, crypto on the weekend, and you good to go. So hopefully you like this type of content. Video a thumbs up, man. I need some likes. I need some more subscribers. Make sure y'all subscribe. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on. Other than that, I'm out.